Vini Joanna.
I'm Benjamin Chodoro.
I'll try to guess your dream work. Can you send me a screenshot ng home screen mo?
Okay. Why would that person be needing like a screenshot of my home screen?
Same kami ng interest, journalism, and nag-agree siya nung sinabi kong mas news writing ako and reporting kasi ganun din daw siya. Baka nakalaban ko na to before sa competition.
They're getting really close.
Based on his notes and based sa mga apps niya sa phone, so feeling ko talaga journalism.
Yeah, that is my dream. Journalism.
Are you ready to meet other subjects?
Yeah, go.
All right.
I would have never known that I would meet a pop star, like our very own Beanie.
Kung ipapursue mo talaga tong journalism, what kind? Kasi ako parang feeling ko broadcast journalism ako.
Journalism about the things that actually matter. You know,
Grabe,
the-
all-rounder
no,
ka.
that actually matter, but I really like the idea that from a young age, we're giving the people the power
Totoo.
to have the knowledge. Yeah.
Tama yan. Amazing talagang may news app ka.
Yeah, I really like to not only see my national news, but international as well, like Bloomberg, New York
So
Times.
how do you share your content?
It's through school organizations.
Diba? Oo.
Especially like RSPC natin, yung mga poetry speaking, debate teams.
May ganun ka rin.
Yeah, so I get to share my, creative thinking and not only writing but in broadcasting.
So what will make it easier for you to pursue journalism?
It'll be, a reliable connection. My connection currently Globe because of the signal and the coverage that they have. It enables me to do my dream like anywhere. I could write anywhere on a cafe, on my school grounds.
So ano yung ultimate goal mo? Na masasabi mo na, okay na to, I made it.
Once I know that if I go up to, a fellow 18-year-old, they'll say, "Hey, I've read your article. You made me learn more. You helped me and my family grow."
Alam mo yung dream mo na yan, huwag mong bibitawan yan. And magugulat ka na lang, nandun ka na. Tulad nga doon sa lyrics ng song namin. Sa bawat panibagong umaga, ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Dahil buhay ay di karera.
Thank you, Joanna, for this interview.
It's not always easy, but it's your dream, so hold on to it. Together, let's go for it. Find out how Globe can help you go for your dream here.